That's too. All right. Yes, we got that seasoning.
I'm fire. You want that Dr. Pepper?
Hello, mama.
Yes, you guys. So that's what we eating today.
Egusi.
Egusi soup, y'all. Egusi. I am so scared. Y'all, I don't really do adventurous food, but this is what we finna do. But it's with steak meat. Boom, 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 more eats. Hey, grab your drink, say your treats. Boom, 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 say hi to Agnes. Welcome to
Whatever.
Mukbang Madness.
Mukbang Madness.
Welcome into my channel. I got my family here, y'all. I got my son.
I know it.
I got my son, Freddie Love, lady in the house, y'all. I'm gonna put his channel down below so y'all can get with it. But today, y'all, we are doing Egusi soup with some. What we got? Some fufu. We got some fufu, y'all. My cousin came over and made me some Egusi soup with fufu, and we never had it before, y'all. We really nervous.
You know, hey, I don't kind of scared.
It's stew meat. It's beef. It's beef stew meat.
Okay.
It's beef stew meat, y'all. Let me show y'all it. It's beef stew meat, but it's like, you know, we ain't really adventurous with our eating. We not really adventurous with our eating.
I'm not.
I'm not really adventurous that much because this is kind of making me nervous, but it looked good. And I know she put habanero. And I'm going to put a little clip before the video so y'all can see exactly what the seasonings that she used.
You got something for it? Okay.
Yeah, she showed me all the seasonings that she used. So, yes, we got the fufu.
I ain't never did this before in my life. I'm something. Come on, let's do it.
Okay, wait. Okay,
like
so y'all, we got the water right here.
Yeah,
so then we got to wash our hands.
Okay, so
You know, put a little, wash your hands. Yeah, because it's an all-hand type situation. So you need to wash your hands.
Yeah, you got some before I'm wasting it on the table
it's
a little
fine.
bit.
I know.
Okay, now you move it to the side.
And we get like hand sanitizer too.
No, you just sanitize your hands.
Wash your hands.
That's what you do with African food. You sanitize your hands. Hands clean.
Cold.
All right, let me put some napkins down right here. Because what? We have Simply Lemonade, y'all. Let me show y'all. Simply Lemonade. For your lemonade. You know we doing Simply. Simply, can you hear me? My son got Simply. We got Simply. We got the Egusi soup and a fufu, y'all. It's our first time.
Look. Yeah. Here we go.
You nervous? Okay, let's unwrap.
I'm not like a food person like
Unwrap
that.
our fufu, but Tammy said the fufu is not. It don't taste like anything. It's pounded yam. Y'all see it? Wait, hold on, real quick. Let me do this.
It smells like flour.
She said
like
it
wet
ain't.
flour.
She said it don't taste like anything, but it's pounded yam.
It smells like wet flour. Like
yeah.
Just swallow it.
Okay, you ready? Okay, so you do this. You
I
grab.
can't chew it.
Look, no, son, you do this.
Okay, hold on.
You can grab a little bit of ball of.
Yeah, it's like wet flour.
Yeah, then they dip it in the juice.
Oh, yeah.
Show them how it looks.
See that? Like it's
roll
like
it in the ball. You dip it in the juice.
Okay.
oh,
Now, so what we supposed to do? You see how it have the little juice on the side right here?
Yeah.
So to dip it in the juice like this.
Okay.
Eat it.
Dip it, and then you supposed to grab some of the stuff in here, like that.
Eat it all.
Okay, wait.
Wait. You see my
Here, let's show
my
them. Ready?
droopy.
Let's do a thumbnail, son.
First time.
All right.
Look at the thing right here. Look. Okay, ready? Go. Ready? Go down so they can see. Ready?
Go.
Go.
Swallow it. Just swallow it.
I can't. I don't just swallow food.
Okay.
from Carla.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man, don't do that. Let's go.
Yeah, no, it's on your hand. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, you got
Okay.
There we go.
I like it.
I'm trying it for the first time.
Dip it.
it tastes like greens.
Oh,
dip
it
it?
do. It tastes like it's spinach. That's how it sounds.
It tastes like greens with the
There we
turkey
go.
stuff.
I got it first time.
They saying just
Cousin
swallow. I can't
Carla,
do that.
cousin Carla in the video.
Hey, Carla, taste it.
Go ahead. You don't even get no flavor. You
It's
just
good
swallow the
though,
thing.
right? You do get
And I
the
just swallow it.
you get the flavor on your in the back end. It's good.
Yeah, it is.
I like
good.
it.
I didn't get no meat.
Yeah.
Gotta try the meat first, man.
Alright. It's okay.
Oh,
gotta
that's good.
I gotta get used to it though. I ain't no
Yeah, it's
food
good
person
for
like
sure.
that. So I don't just be trying
good.
new foods and stuff. So
Yeah, it's good.
I'm not
Yeah,
going
it's
to
good.
immediately
Immediately
jump
jump
to,
to, ooh, I want some Egusi tonight.
Nah, I ain't
You stupid. It's good.
It's gonna have to, still have to get some coming, get some used to. But it don't taste bad though. I don't like food like that anyway. So for me to say that means a lot.
Okay. All right, Tammy.
All right.
Okay, Tam.
I got
It was
the
my
thing
cousin's first time making it too.
Okay.
So I don't know what it would be like if like we went to a real African restaurant, but
Shit, it's at home.
I don't like it just with the little green stuff. I need something like sauce.
Yeah, try it.
it's stew meat.
That's the savory grace right there. That's good.
You gotta dip it all together.
All right.
Nah, I don't eat African food like African.
I never had African food, but
I'm
yeah.
just eat it like how I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
That tastes good.
I can't follow the rules right now. I can't do it.
Okay.
I
I'm
gotta
sorry.
get used to the taste.
I ain't
and then
supposed to
I'ma
be
follow the
sweat-
rules.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna just swallow it this time. Wait.
See, I'm gonna do what she did. I'm gonna eat it first, and then I'm gonna try to do it right.
That makes you thin to swallow.
Exactly.
Come on,
No,
but
pause,
sometimes they
man.
don't be having that. They don't
Okay,
have,
that's
they
a
don't-
different
that's
meat.
the thing. That's if they have
You
like
gotta pause.
they be
So I
having like
Fish and
fish and stuff like that.
so
like
really you can
lamb,
swallow it down.
Lamb and stuff like that. And stuff that they combine into like chicken.
Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. You supposed to eat it like do like that.
Oh, it's supposed to be finger licking.
Yes,
good?
it's finger licking. Yes, that's how Nigerians
Oh,
eat. You supposed to
yeah.
put
So they be licking their hand. Wow. Tammy did that.
it's good.
That's first time trying that. Like I tried
Tammy,
some Fufu.
let me call her. Oh, I
American
don't.
way.
Call her. Anybody got her phone? Cause we don't call her on video.
Oh, I know. Oh, here it is. My phone right now. I got it.
You got her number? Call Destiny and tell her to give you Tammy.
Mercy, Jesus.
Right.
We on live. We gotta call her and give her her big ups.
I'm trying to roll my list.
Ooh, that's good.
I let him.
Yes, it is.
I will be eating this again, y'all.
Tammy did that.
But she did say it wasn't spicy.
See, there's my coughing.
It ain't
But
spicy.
no, I mean it went
I
down.
like it. It's not spicy.
No, but Tammy said it'd be a lot more spicy.
They do.
Tammy number. We gotta give her a little review on the
They do be
Yeah,
having.
soup.
And Fufu.
They be having it much spicier. That should be hot.
Yeah, I ate some.
Call her and tell her. Tell her to call Fred phone, please,
Yeah.
right now, cause we on YouTube.
Right now, yeah. Call her. Tell her to call me. Tell her to call me. Tell her to call me.
Tell her we on YouTube live right now. We need her to call right now.
All right.
She did good, y'all. Ooh, okay.
Yeah, it's I don't know how to explain. Like I said, it tastes like greens. Good greens.
She said it tastes like the greens when you mix it up with the cornbread. And that's exactly what the fuck it tastes like for me. With the greens, with the cornbread, all.
Drink your drink. You don't drink your drink.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait till Tammy call, y'all. We gonna let Tammy call.
What greens
Yeah.
and the cornbread?
Like how you.
I would.
But it got spinach, and everybody was thinking like, what's that?
I wouldn't
green?
go that far. I wouldn't go that far to say that.
You know what I want to make?
It tastes like
I
greens
seen
though.
on
Because of
Facebook. One of my
turkey stuff.
Facebook friends got. I want to get tilapia and put
made the fufu, y'all. This shit good.
Something like that, and you put it into the dry to tilapia.
I'm scared, y'all. I just some of that turkey.
And for him to keep going back into it, it's good because he is not an adventurous eater at all. He do not eat adventurous shit. For him to keep going back into the damn pot, he likes it. It's good. I'm telling you, it's something different. But it's a good different.
But
It's
we are
really
black though. This is African food, so yeah, you ain't gonna have to. Yeah, nah, don't try to go.
No. We ain't never ate this African food.
Going back to my roots.
Next year, I went back to my roots.
Black Panther coming out. We gotta be eating
Yeah.
a good name Fufu up in the.
Egusi and Fufu.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
I'm
telling you,
still not
it's
at that
so
level of
good.
Get off. I'm not on that level.
Shout
yet.
out to Tammy. Shout out to my cousin Tammy for coming up here for her first time ever making this, y'all. So I don't know what it really tastes like in the restaurants, but she made it good. And
They gonna make it extra after. We ain't gonna have no choice but to eat that elephant foot. They gonna make us get that elephant foot.
We gonna eat elephant foot.
hello? Hey, girl. Oh, my God. Yes, it is so good. Man, Fred over here fucking this shit up. Carla over here fucking this shit up. Look, we like, what the fuck? This shit is good. So you on YouTube. You not on live, but you on my YouTube. It's gonna be on my YouTube when we called you.
That's all I'm
But girl, for your first time to make it, it's so good.
it's so Egusi.
That nigga said it's so Egusi. It is so good,
It
Tammy.
is good, Tammy.
Girl, you did good. We was over here like, what the heck? What?
Yeah, I didn't know what to expect. You know, it just looked like a bunch of stuff, but you know, it all come together at the
Man,
beginning.
it tastes good.
He said it tastes like greens. I said that's that spinach and that cornbread. It's really good.
Yeah.
But like you said, it could be a little bit more spicier, like you say, maybe. If we went somewhere, it probably would be more hot.
Yeah, it
But
will be.
yeah, it would be way more hotter.
Because they do hot stuff.
Yeah. But you did so good for your first time coming out the gate, girl. It's so good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I like it.
It's good. Thank you, Tammy. It was really good.
You welcome. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hey, more eats. Hey.
Grab your drinks and your treats. What?
Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to
She girl, when they
Agnes.
got the singing and chant, when they got
Welcome
the
to
singing and
Egusi
when they got the
Madness.
singing, they thought I didn't